Happy Valentine's Day, y'all, if you do celebrate it with your other half, but there's no time for love in this video. Well, there is, because we do have a few airdrops that showed love that you can go and claim and more of that. So we just said we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, just a recap over the trade that I do on ByBit as I take you a few updates. I did close a few positions for the JSTOOL, USDT, TSDT, all in a bit of profit. And now the position that I have open is the Jupiter one over here, because I do really think that Jupiter could see in the weekend a $1 allocation. I have a take profit at $1.05, and the liquidation price at 75 cents with a 5x long. So I will keep this in play, or I will go and change it with some new one, but I usually go here, check for the new ones, and go and short a little bit of the new tokens when they go into perpetual. A lot of time they go up, then they go down, especially if it is like airdrop related, like B3, for example. We got it yesterday, it's at less than a cent. So it actually has collapsed since yesterday, which I did open a short, I believe, or I wanted to open a short around here at 1.4. I would have been in a nice profit, but yeah, as you see, all the airdrops kind of collapse as soon as they are released as a perpetual trading. I've done the same here with Solayer, bought here and sold here, shorter here, and then close the position there with some profit. But as of today, I opened the Jupiter one. Next up, a very important protocol that I want to talk about. Next up, a reminder for you to go and grab your story reward protocol. The link will be down below if you haven't done it yet. Check eligibility, agree and continue, open the sign wallet. And as you see here, I am not eligible, but with this one, the IP protocol, if we go over to Hyperliquid, which I will leave the link down below, it has been now 80 days since the point page has not been deleted, so it means that it is coming in the future. I should theoretically have a trade here, exactly. I did short the Hyperliquid token, as we are able to go and see, and I am in profit as of today, so I will also close this one over on Hyperliquid. But if you want to go and trade or on Hyperliquid, the difference are two. ByBit, I like it because it gives you the possibility with any token to go all the way up to like 20, 75x leverage. It's a little bit for, crazy. On Hyperliquid, I like it because the airdrop season 2 is coming very, very soon. So with this one, I will go and close this position. I will close all at the market close, get a few tokens, and then as well over here on Hyperliquid, I will go and place a long over on Solana. So today we will go and place a 20x long over on Solana with the take profit, let's say at $210 if Solana reaches that, and we go and place the order. So good to go. This is my trade over on Hyperliquid, and I do it over on ByBit for Jupiter. And the other thing, of course, is the story protocol. Make sure in all of this to go and claim it, but I did shorter this, I made some money, and now we're moving on. Following up, we have the Doodle token is coming soon. And if you did watch my video, we minted the Doodles NFT on Zora. We minted quite a few of them. So let's see if they will count, if they will come towards the airdrop. But here is a snapshot introducing Dude, the official token of Doodles. So it will come 68%. There's a total billion of 10 billion token total supply launching on Solana, of course. 68% will be allocated to the community, which is a big, big number. Snapshot and airdrop eligibility have not yet been disclosed, so do not click on any links out there. Please be careful. But it could potentially be for all of us Zora hoppers and Zora minters. We could potentially have finally an airdrop. Next up, we have a new linear quest over on Gax. Make sure to go and do it. It is a very simple, open this page, like them on Twitter, and then we got a question, which the answer are C, A, D, A, C. So these are the answers for this quiz test over here. Input that, and you're good to go. You will receive your points and position yourself for the airdrop. Next up, we have the confidential layer airdrop allocation checker is live, and we do have it over here. I'm not eligible for this one. As you see here, the clone airdrop allocation checker is this one. You get value at different FTVs of your airdrop allocation if you did receive the airdrop, but I didn't. I am not eligible. Let me know, by the way, if you are eligible down in comments below for this airdrop, so we can go and disconnect the wallet. You can go and connect the wallet simply with the MetaMask wallet or any other wallet out there, which are important to go and do. Next up, we also have the Mint blockchain airdrop is finally here. We are eligible to go and grab for the next 2 days to unbox the Mint Blockchain NFT Legend boxes over here, which you can go and grab it yourself. It is all of these pages that you can go to your NFT journey, check your eligibility, kind of what you've did, if you are eligible or not. Click over here, keep on going down. It is a little bit of a long situation. And I think I missed it, the check eligibility. Let me go and see if I can go back up. No, I cannot go up. Okay, then we keep on going down. Blue chip 2024. Claim your legend box if you can. Legend box, I have 0. But if you can, make sure to go and claim it before the airdrop goes live. As we see here, I had less than 20 Ethereum in volume because I don't have I'm not this big of a whale. But if you can, make sure to go and grab your airdrop. As we see here, we got the possibility to go and grab the box. And up next is the Mint airdrop potentially coming in February, so this month. And the Mint airdrop makes up for 12% of the 1 billion total supply, so 120 million, with 1% allocated to the NFT Legends box event as part of it. So make sure to go and participate, make sure to go and get it if you can. Next up, we also have MyShell airdrop claim page is now live, which we do see it over here. This is the website for you to go and grab it. It is a little bit slow when it comes to the loading, so bear with that. Try to go and reposition yourself, try to go and see other things, as well as which we have seen yesterday, but potentially could have missed it because you probably were busy or didn't watch the video. If you go over to the governors on Jupiter, you have the possibility to go and claim your third ASR Jupiter rewards, which we see right here. You can go and view the ASR rewards. As we see, the next claiming will be in 2 months for the period of January to March, which we will have 8 or 4 voting for this ASR. Click on view ASR rewards, and here you have it. I already got my stake token back to the stake Jupiter, and I got the DBR token, the D bridge token allocation, which as you see, they go directly to your Phantom wallet, which I already sold. I believe I sold this for Solana. Yeah, it was like a $2 or $3 airdrop, nothing much. It is 89 token. Every token is like $2.50, so it was a little bit on the downside. But guys, make sure to go and trade. Make sure to go and position yourself. Now, do not follow me. This is no financial advisor. I'm no guru. I'm not telling you what to do. This is just my conviction. I believe a lot in Jupiter. So that's why when it is a little bit of a dead market in this way, that there is no new... well, there is this one actually. There is the Broccoli USDT, which it is a new token, which they have just launched. And let me go and see this Broccoli one over here. Can I go and see it? Here we got it. The Broccoli USDT Perpetual. This is the Binance token. And yeah, this is a very risky move, I would say, to go and enter right now. It is gonna go down, but as you see, it fluctuates so much between up and down that it is extremely risky. And you can go and, trade it at up to 25x leverage, which is up to you. But like 25x leverage, you need to put it, in this case, is stop loss and a take profit, at least a take profit if you're betting for it to go down or up, and see how it goes. But theoretically, actually, I will go and enter this one. Let me go and sell this one at a little bit of a loss. Okay, we have lost like 60 cents on it, something like that. But for this one, it's it's risky. It's risky. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably long it or short it. Is this looking like it wants to go up? But we know how airdrops are, or we know this is not even an airdrop. This is a total meme coin, which I don't really know what to do. I think I will just bet on it to go. Let's see the liquidation price. If it goes up, probably would have already been liquidated. But I don't know. It is a 25x, so we can go and either place up or long. This is, it's like roll a dice, head or tails on a coin flip. But I'll leave it at that. I don't want to bring around the video. You go and do you. With that said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.